Want to know where homes cost 100 million and the paparazzi flock because of all the celebrities? Hollywood Hills, California. Welcome to the ultimate symbol of luxury and glamour, where the rich and famous come to play. Known for its stunning views, celebrity residence, and incredible wealth. From the iconic Hollywood sign to the exclusive estates, Hollywood Hills is a world of its own. With property prices that can reach up to $100 million, this neighborhood is truly a playground for the 1%. As you delve deeper into the hills, you'll find that the neighborhood is also home to some of the most creative and innovative minds in the industry. From film producers to music moguls, Hollywood Hills is a hub for artistic expression. But living in the spotlight isn't always easy. With paparazzi lurking around every corner, celebrities have to be careful about their every move. Despite the challenges, the allure of Hollywood Hills remains strong. From the breathtaking views to the endless opportunities, this neighborhood has a way of drawing people in. Hollywood Hills is home to some of the most iconic estates in the world, from Frank Sinatra's former home to the current residence of Lady Gaga. From A-list actors to music legends, this neighborhood is a who's who of the entertainment industry, such as the iconic producer Brian Grazer. Not only is he responsible for some of the biggest films in Hollywood, but he's also a dedicated philanthropist. Or consider the singer-songwriter Bruno Mars, who's known for his incredible music. When a famous actor put his estate on the market, it sparked a bidding war that captivated the entire industry. The final sale price was a staggering $70 million, making it one of the most expensive homes sold in the neighborhood's history. Another story that showcases the community spirit of Hollywood Hills is the annual charity gala. Every year, residents come together to raise money for a local children's hospital. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the lavish lifestyle of the Hollywood Hills. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite celebrity from the neighborhood and subscribe for more fascinating insights into luxurious lifestyles.